Hey guys, so last Sunday I posted a video of my dorm tour, just like showing you all around my dorm. But in that video I talked about my two best friends' dorms and just like how freaking phenomenal it is. So today I'm going to do a tour of their room and show off their room so you guys can admire it as well. I am not sure if they're going to be in the video. They're a little camera shy, but I'm going to do my best to convince them to make an appearance. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And also don't forget to check out my previous college videos. I've made a lot of them already. So this is my room, and literally you just come out and then this is their room. Also, Hannah did these. How cute. And enter.
Hey guys!
Aw, you're so cute. Okay guys, Chloe didn't want to be in it, but I'm just gonna go around and show you their room. I'm gonna have Hannah just kind of explain all the cute little things she has hanging up because Chloe doesn't want to be in it.
Okay guys, so Chloe, my roommate, and I are big coffee people, so having a coffee bar in our dorm room was a must.
Oh my
So this is our little coffee bar.
How cute.
Chloe actually got this from Amazon, and it's really cute.
I'll try to link things if I can find them, but
Okay.
no promises.
We got this little thing that has our coffee in it, and then
Aww.
we got this little mug hanger thing from Hobby Lobby, and then all of that. Basically everything in here is from Hobby Lobby.
I literally love that sign. I always come in there and say hi.
And
Reading
then
the
I
sign.
say bye. No, it's just I love having you in here. And then we have these little things to hang up our coats and bags and stuff. It just makes life a little bit easier.
Alright, moving on to the next
Moving
section.
Right here we have a TV. This is the first year that we've actually had a TV in our dorm room, so we're kind
Ooh.
of getting used to that. It's really fun. And then Chloe and I each have a desk, and we usually don't really spend a lot of time doing our homework at our desk, but we do like to get ready at our desk. And yeah, so we have all of our books and makeup and mirrors, jewelry.
I make fun of them for these succulents that they have. Is that one fake?
That's like glass.
Oh.
Completely fake. Chloe's more of the plant lady than I am. This is a must for all you little college students.
Ooh.
I got this at IKEA, and it
Love
rolls.
this. And there's shower caddies. Okay guys, I literally talk about caddies all the time in my videos, and I say do not get the plastic ones.
Yeah.
And I come here and Hannah has the exact same ones I
exactly
tell
what I
people
have.
not to have.
Sorry, Karis. I promise I watch your videos. I've just had that since freshman year.
It's okay, I forget
But
you.
yeah, that makes life a lot easier.
Ooh, where'd you get this mirror? That's really cute.
Chloe?
I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond.
Aw,
Bed
there!
Bath &
Chloe made an appearance.
Yeah, I got this at Home Goods, Target. This one's nice because you can touch it.
Okay.
So this is Chloe's little area, and she didn't want to explain it all, so Hannah's gonna take over.
So, oh, I do know she got this from Home Goods. So look, it has like different levels, so you can put,
Whoa.
if you have like longer necklaces.
That
you
is
can
so
put on a tall
handy.
one, and then you can have like bracelets and rings and stuff.
Aww.
She got this from Hobby Lobby. This is a really cool lamp because you can just touch it.
Whoa!
It's on.
It's like freaking magic.
Yeah.
And I like the C up here.
Yeah, so we both got a letter. Those are from Hobby
Oh,
Lobby.
you get an H.
And then put a little bit of greenery around them.
Oh, and Chloe got this too.
We're kind of terrified that it's gonna drop.
I really hope it like drops on your head right now. I'm kidding.
You're so funny. Oh my goodness. Okay, honestly.
Oh my gosh, guys, their beds. It's so
Okay,
cute.
wait. I first need to address that there's two specific things that just like makes the dorm room homey. So one of those being your curtains. So you wouldn't really think to have curtains in a dorm room, but it really just, you know, sets the vibe.
It really does.
And then also hanging lights around your room.
Yes.
So these lights that are like in the dorm, built into the dorm, are very harsh and bright.
Yeah,
and so
really
we
so
like
annoying.
the warmth of the little Christmas lights.
Aww. I love the pillows.
Yeah, that's from Etsy. Shout out to my first roommate ever, Georgia, who got this for me. And I've had it all through college.
Oh, it's so cute.
Yeah, I know.
And then Chloe sleeps down here, guys.
Yeah, she's kind of in like a little coffin, but
So biggie.
she's a trooper. Okay, so these signs up here we got from Hobby Lobby.
Aww.
And then the chalkboard.
I love this couch, guys. This is like my bed.
This is Karis, this little corner of our room.
I'm in their room like more than I am in my room, so I love
I actually got this off of Facebook Marketplace. It's like brand new. And I
Dang.
like just cleaned it and it's like brand new now.
And it's so comfy.
Yeah.
And I love this little thing.
I got this trunk as a graduation gift from high school, and when I first opened it, I was like, who would get me a box for graduation? And I was like, so confused, and now it's like one of my favorite parts of our room because it
Aw.
holds stuff. So
Yeah.
get you
Storage.
a trunk, you high school seniors.
Oh my gosh, guys. Chloe made this.
Yeah, Chloe.
And-
Oh my gosh.
Just how cute is that? They hang their earrings on there. And she tried to tell me it wasn't that hard to make. What?
This is our closet space. We both really like these hangers. They're from
Yes.
like TJ Maxx.
Mhm. I talk about those hangers all the
Converse.
time.
Really?
Yes.
Cool.
The best.
So yeah, those are our favorite. And then I just have like food and towels and then like cleaning stuff.
I love those baskets.
Dishes. Thank you. I think that I got those at like Ross or something. And then we're still trying to decide what to put on our letterboard.
We just
if
hung
you
it
have
up.
any suggestions, comment below.
Yes.
That's about all I got.
And also, guys, they literally have the same clothes. Like, they wear the same kind of outfits. And it's, like, so cute. Do you guys share clothes?
All the time. So basically, whenever Chloe moves in, then I get like an extra wardrobe. Vice versa.
All right, guys, so there's Chloe over there. All right, so that is it, guys. How adorable is their room? Like, I am shook. This is like my second home. But if you guys enjoyed the video, give, oh my gosh, your eyes are so pretty in this lighting. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel.
Do it, you won't regret it.
And then you can also follow me on Instagram. I'm super active on there. But if you want to see more videos like this, let us know. But yeah, that is it for today. And until next time, bye.
Bye.
Aww.